Hey rock stars, it's your girl Beth with RockStar Reviews. Today we're going to review an amazing product. Take it away, Adam.
Thanks, Beth. RockStar Reviews here. I'm Adam, and we've got some really cool products today. First off, Vita Energy. These mints, caffeine mints, don't buy them. They're no good. This is what I want you to buy. That's what I want you to check out. It's from RockStar Reviews. No, it's from Living 24/7. It is a felt. It wasn't felt, and it is now. Letterboard where you can write whatever you want. I put RockStar Reviews and ask you to subscribe because I want you to do that. And this may be in future videos. I think we're going to put this in the background in a lot of videos in the future. It does come with a whole ton of letters, like a metric ton of letters. I was able to, I think it's 360 letters. I was able to do the whole board with just a few letters out of this, but there's plenty. It does come with a handy carrying bag where you keep your excess letters. I cut out a couple of the wrong ones because apparently I can't spell. It does tie shut so you don't have to worry about losing them. And a fancy, nice, stylish pair of scissors for cutting out your letters. So I'll put an Amazon link in the description below. In terms of quality, give it the smash test. Probably shouldn't do that against glass. But you know, it is solid wood. It does stand up on its own, and it comes essentially with a backing where you can put it on a hook. I do have to think of a thumbnail to put for this. Should it be me? Or should I put someone more attractive? I'm leaning towards someone more attractive, so leave your comment below. What should the thumbnail be, and what would you put on yours? And I'm also interested, like a lot of times companies, if I ask them, they'll give us a free product to give out to our fans. Is that something you want? Would you want a free one of these, or should we start giving away more free products in the future? I'm Adam, this is RockStar Reviews. For Beth, I'm out of here. We'll put the link in the description below. It's a great deal, it's a lot of fun. Put it in your kitchen, put it in your living room, put it in your business. Put your specials, show it off, high quality, it's amazing, it's a felt letter board. We're out of here.
This channel will showcase some really cool health, fitness, fashion, and beauty products. Like this.
Check it out. There's a link in the description.
Please take a moment, check out our videos, and subscribe for new videos coming out all the time.
Hey, why don't you subscribe to my channel? Thank you.
Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe for new videos every week and comment below with suggestions for new video topics.